Hello students, welcome to Mathematics Study channel. In the last class, we discussed about matrix exercise 3.3. In exercise 3.3, we have finished question number 7. Today, we are going to solve question number 8. Question number 8. What is question number 8? For the matrix A equal 1, 5, 6, 7, verify that A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix. Number 2, A minus A transpose is a SQ symmetric matrix. So, question number 8 solution given. What is given? A, so A equal to what? A is 1, 5, 6, 7. 1, 5, 6, 7. Number one is what? Now we are going to find A plus A transpose. What is A? So A plus A transpose is what? A plus A transpose equal to what is A? A is 1, 5, 6, 7 plus A transpose. In the earlier class, how to find A transpose we discussed. So A transpose means what? A transpose is by interchanging the row and coulombs. By interchanging the row and coulomb, here first row is first coulomb, first row is 1, 5, 2, it tends to coulomb, and 6, 7, 6, 7. Okay. If we add these two, then what do we get? 1 plus 1 is 2, 5 plus 6 is 11, 6 plus 5 is 11, 7 plus 7 is 14. This is the A plus A complement. Now A plus A transpose, whole transpose equal to what? The A plus A transpose is this. So A plus A transpose, whole transpose is equal to by interchanging this, by interchanging the row and coulomb. So this is 2, 11 and this is 11, 14. So from these two equations, it is clear that A plus A transpose and A plus A transpose, whole transpose are equal. Both matrices are equal. So we can say that A plus A complement is a symmetric matrix. Hence A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix. Question number 2 is what? The question number 2 is A minus A transpose is a SQ symmetric matrix. In SQ symmetric matrix, now we are going to find A minus A transpose. What is A? A is given 1, 5, 6, 7 minus A transpose. What is A transpose? By interchanging the row and coulomb, 1, 5, 6, 7. Okay? This is 5. This is equal to what? 1 minus 1 is 0, 5 minus 6 is minus 1, 6 minus 5 is plus 1 and 7 minus 7 is 0. This is A minus A transpose. Okay, then A minus A transpose, whole transpose again will I do. A minus A transpose, whole transpose is equal to what? By interchanging the row and coulomb. This is by interchanging the row and coulomb. If we interchange, this is minus 1, this is 1 and this is the 0. Then what we get? If we taking minus is common, then we can write 0, minus 1 and 1, 0. Okay, this is equal to what? This is equal to, we can write this A minus A transpose. A minus A transpose. This is here minus. Okay, this is the minus. So according to SQ symmetric matrix, when we call A is a SQ symmetric, when A transpose is equal to minus A. If A is a matrix, then A transpose equal to minus A. If this condition is satisfied, then A is a SQ symmetric matrix. Here also A minus A transpose and A minus A transpose whole transpose equal to what we get, minus A minus A transpose. So condition is satisfied. So we can write. Hence A minus A transpose is a SQ symmetric matrix. We are going to solve question number 9. The question number 9 is what? Question number 9 is find half of A plus A transpose and half of A minus A transpose. When A is given, it is given A is equal to first row is 0AB and second row minus A 0C minus A 0 and C, and third row is minus B minus C 0 minus B minus C 0. This is the third row. Okay, now we are going to find half of A plus A transpose. So half of A plus A transpose is equal to half of A. What is A? A is given, no? So half is multiplying with A plus A transpose. So give here second bracket we use here within first bracket, not even this is the first bracket. Okay, so A is what? 0AB. Okay, this is minus A 0C and minus B minus C 0 plus A transpose. What is A transpose? By interchanging the rho and coulomb, then we get the A transpose. So A minus A minus B, A 0 minus C, and this is what? B C 0. This is complete. So this is equal to what? Half of okay 0 plus 0 is 0, A minus A is 0, B minus B is 0. Okay, minus A plus A 0, 0 0 is 0, C minus C is 0. Okay, minus B is 0, this is also 0 and this is also 0. So how do we get? This is equal to 0. Again half of, now we are going to find half of A minus A transpose. Okay, half of A minus A transpose. So half of A minus A transpose equal to what? Just you give here, I think it is clear. Okay, so half of A minus A transpose, half of A minus A, just give here minus. Okay, so then what do we get? Half is here. Okay, 0 minus 0 is 0, A minus what? Plus, so 2A, this is B minus plus 2B. Okay, this is minus A minus 2A, and this is 0 plus 0 is 0. Okay, C minus this is 2C, and here is minus 2B. Okay, minus 2B minus 2C is equal to 0. If we divide each term by 2, then what we get? Then we get 0 A B, and this is minus A 0 and C, and this is minus B C 0. Then half of A minus A transpose is what? Half of A minus A transpose is 0 A B minus A 0 A B minus A 0 C and minus B C. We are going to solve question number 10. Question number 10 solution. The question is express the following matrices as the sum of symmetric and a SQ symmetric matrix. The question is what? Express the following matrices as the sum of a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrices. Before solving this problem, to express any matrix, suppose A, as a sum of symmetric, then P, what is P? P equal to half of A plus A transpose and Q equal to half of A minus A transpose, where A equal to what? Where A equal to P plus Q. To express any matrix as a sum of symmetric, then P equal to half of A plus A transpose and a skew symmetric matrix is half of A minus A transpose, and A equal to what? P plus Q. If we add these two, P plus Q, then we get the A. What is it? P plus Q. The P plus Q, then half of A plus half of A transpose, half of A minus half of A transpose. Okay, I think, is it clear? So we are going to solve question number 1 first. 10(1). The 10(1), what is given? The let A equal to, suppose A equal to what? A is given 3, 5, 1 minus 1. 3, 5, 1 minus 1. 3, 5, 1 minus 1. This is A. It is given. So where then we, according to question, what we get? Then A equal to what? P plus Q. To express any matrix A as a symmetric matrix and a skew symmetric matrix, then we present this formula. Okay, we show this one. So here let this is the given matrix, then A equal to P plus Q. What is P? Where P equal to what? Where P of this is A plus A transpose and Q equal to what? And Q equal to half of A minus A transpose. Now what is P? P equal to what? Half of A plus A transpose. Half of this is half of A plus A transpose. A is what? 3, 5, 1 minus 1 plus A transpose is what? A transpose. How to find the A transpose? By interchanging the row and coulombs. Okay, so this is first coulomb is first row and second coulomb is second row. This is okay. If we add this, then this is half of 3 plus 3 is 6, 5 plus 1 is 6. Okay, 1. This is 6 minus 1 and this plus minus 1 is minus 2. Dividing each term by 2, then what we get? We get this is the 3 and this is also 3 and this is 3. This is minus 1. How do we get? 3, 3, 3 minus 1. Okay, is it clear? So we get P equal to what? 3, 3, 3, 3, 3 minus 1. Let P transpose, if we find the P transpose, now P transpose, okay, now P transpose equal to what? Now P transpose is equal to, by interchanging the row and column, P is this, by interchanging the row and column, first row is first column, so first row is 3, 3, so this is 3, 3, and second row is second column, second row is what? 3 minus 1. So how do we get? We see from this equation and from this equation, what do we see? That it is clearly seen that P is equal to P transpose. Yeah? From this it is clearly seen that P equal to P transpose. Since P equal to P transpose, so this is a symmetric matrix. Thus P equal to half of A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix. Okay, so now we are going to show that it is a SQ symmetric matrix. For SQ symmetric matrix, what we have to show that the Q equal to what? Half of, give here brackets, A is what? 3, 5, 1 and minus 1. This is minus A transpose is by interchanging the row and coulombs. 3, 5, 1, minus 1. And then what we get? This is equal to half. 3 minus 3 is 0. 5 minus 1 is 4. 1 minus 5 is minus 4. And 1 minus is plus. 1 minus plus, this is the 0. Okay. So this is equal to what? Dividing by, then what we get? This is the 0. This is 2. This is minus 2. And this is 0. Okay. This is Q. Q equal to, what do we get? Q equal to 0, 2, minus 2 and 0. Okay. So what do we get? Q equal to this, and Q complement, that means transpose. Q transpose. How to find the Q transpose? By interchanging the row and coulomb. This is 0, 2 and minus 2, 0. Okay. So Q this. So then if we taking negative sign is common, then what we get? If taking negative sign is common, this is 0, this is the 2 and this is minus 2 and this is 0, which can be written as this is equal to minus Q. Okay. Since Q complement is equal to minus Q, so hence we can easily say that hence Q equal to half of A minus A transpose is a SQ symmetric matrix. SQ symmetric matrix. Okay. Now I am going to solve question number 10(2). Question number solution 10(2). Let A is equal to, what is A? A is given. The A is what? First row is 6 minus 2, 2. 6 minus 2, 2. And second row is minus 2, 3 minus 1. Minus 2, 3 minus 1. And third row is what? Third row is 2 minus 1, 3. 2 minus 1, 3. This is the third row. Okay. So what is A? Where A equal to what? A is equal to P plus Q. Where P equal to what? P equal to half of A plus A transpose and Q equal to half of A minus A transpose. Now we are going to find this one P equal to half of A plus A transpose. What is A? 6 minus 2 plus 2. Minus 2, 3 minus 1. 2 minus 1, 3. This is A plus A transpose. What is A transpose? By interchanging the row and coulomb. If we interchange the row and coulomb, then we get 6. This is minus 2 plus 2. And minus 2, 3 minus 1. 2 minus 1, 3. Okay. So this is equal to half of, if we add these two, then 6 plus 6, this is 12, minus 2 and minus 2, minus 4, 2 plus 2, 4, minus 2 minus 2, minus 4, this is 6, minus 2, 4, minus 2, this is the 6. This is, if we dividing both term, each elements by 2, then we get, that implies P equal to what we get? Then P equal to 6 minus 2 plus 2, and this is minus 2, okay? Minus 2, this is 3, and this is minus 1, and this is what? 2 minus 1, 3. I think, is it clear? It is clear. So if we divide each elements by what 2, then this is 6 minus 2, 2, this is minus 2, this is 3, and this is minus 1, this is 2, this is minus 1, and this is 3. Okay, so we get the value of p. Now p transpose equal to what? P transpose equal to, if we interchange the row and column, then first row is first column, this is 6 minus 2 plus 2, minus 2, 3, minus 1, and third row is third column, third row is what? Third row is 2, minus 1, 3. From this, it is clearly seen that P is the elements of P and elements of P transpose are all are same. So we can write what we write, P equal to P transpose. Hence P equal to half of A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix. I think it is clear. Okay. Now we are going to find Q equal to half of A minus A transpose. Since already it is written here, half of A is this and minus just BBR minus. Okay. This is minus A transpose is also given here. Then what we get? Then this is Q equal to what? This is Q equal to half of A minus A transpose. This is equal to what? Half of, if we subtract this minus this, then 6 minus 6 is 0, minus 2 plus 2 is 0, and this is also 0. Minus 2, this is 0, this is also 0, 0, this is also 0, 0, 0. Okay, so it is a very simple. So Q equal to what? We get Q equal to 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. If we taking negative sign is common, then what do we get? If we taking negative sign is common, then this is equal to also 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Then what we get? Then we can write Q transpose. Sorry, this is Q transpose. This is Q transpose. Then Q transpose equal to this. If we taking here minus is common, then this can be also written as 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. This is equal to what? Minus Q. So what we get? Q transpose equal to minus Q. Hence it is clearly said that hence Q equal to half of A minus A transpose is a SQ symmetric matrix. I think it is clear. Then remaining left 3 and 4 are homework you can do at your home. I am going to solve question number 11. If A, B are symmetric matrix of same order, then AB minus BA is a what type of matrix? It is a multiple choice question. So there are 4 options is there. So students, it is homework. Now I am going to solve question number 12. Question number 12. The question number 12 is what? If A is cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha, then A plus A transpose equal to I. If the value of alpha is, now we are going to find the value of alpha. How to find the value of alpha? That it is a very simple problem. The question number 12, it is given A equal to given A is what? Cos alpha minus sin alpha. Cos alpha minus sin alpha and sin alpha cos alpha. Okay? Sin alpha cos alpha. It is a very simple problem. Now we are going to find what? We are going to find the value of alpha. How to find the value of alpha? That is condition is given here. What is condition is given? A plus A transpose equal to I. What is I? I is the identity matrix. Now A plus A transpose equal to I is given. So what is A? A is given here cos alpha minus sin alpha, and this is sin alpha, this is cos alpha. Is it clear? Plus A transpose, just interchanging the rho and coulombs, cos alpha minus this is sin alpha, and sin alpha here is sin alpha, this is the cos alpha. Okay, now is equal to what? Is equal to identity matrix I. Since it is a 2 by 2 matrix, then identity matrix is also 2 by 2. This is 0 1. Okay, so if we add this, then cos is 2 cos of alpha minus sin plus sin is 0, and sin minus sin is 0. This is 2 cos alpha is equal to what? 0, sorry, not 0, 1 0 and 0 1. This is a 2 by 2 matrix, and this is also 2 by 2 matrix. By definition of equality of matrix, by the definition of equality of matrix, by definition of equality of matrix, we have, what we have by definition of equality of matrix, this is equal to this. We can write 2 cos of alpha equal to 1. This implies cos alpha equal to 1 by 2. If cos alpha equal to 1 by 2, then cos of alpha is equal to the cos alpha, no? So cos in which degree? Cos half. Cos half is what? Cos half is 60 degree. Okay, cos half is 60 degree. So right here pi by 3. This is equal to cos cancel out, then alpha equal to what? We get alpha equal to pi by 3. So our answer, correct answer is what? Correct answer is option B. Correct answer option B. Okay, pi by 3. This is the ভিডিওটো কেনেকুৱা লাগিছে কমেণ্টত জনাব। যদি ভাল লাগে তেন্তে লাইক আৰু শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিব, আৰু এনে ধৰণৰ নতুন ভিডিঅ' পাবৰ কাৰণে চেনেলটো ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিব।